We guide you through how to give Robux to people on Roblox mobile. First, open the Safari and go to roblox.com. Then log in and switch to desktop mode by tapping the double A request desktop website to send Robux. The person must be a member of your Roblox group and your group must have Robux funds. Go to your group, store, and create Game Pass or clothing item and let the person buy it. This is the official way Roblox allows Robux transfer. Once your group has funds, go to the revenue, payouts, add payouts recipient, enter their username, choose the amount, and tap distribute. Remember, Roblox doesn't not allow direct user to user transfer outside the groups. So, avoid third party apps, links, or donation websites.